Hi, grade two. So today we're going to learn how to order numbers. So, what does it mean to order numbers? Well, that means putting them in the right order. You got it. So, there's a video on the Google Classroom. Looks like this, or on the slide, it looks a bit different, but that's a video from YouTube just showing you a little bit about how to do that. All right, let's get started. So we have to look at the tens place to know which number is the biggest. Okay. Remember, we're working with two-digit numbers. So we have to look at the tens place. So, for example, if we look at this number 15 and 61, which one's bigger? 61, that's right, because the 6 is bigger than the 1, and they're in the tens place. How about 93? Well, 93 is bigger than 61 because 6 is bigger than 9. How about these numbers over here? We have 80 and 22. Yes, 22 is smaller than 80 because look at the tens place. And same with 25. 25 is bigger or less than, smaller than 80. So the higher the tens number, the bigger the number is. If the tens are the same, the higher the ones is the bigger number. Okay, so if you look here at 22 and 25, they both have 2 in the tens place. So we have to decide which one's bigger by looking at the ones place. All right, so let's read this again. The higher the tens number, the bigger the number is. If the tens are the same, just like here, the higher the ones, the bigger the number. So 22 is smaller than 25 because we had to look at the number. Just like when we read, we order our numbers from left to right. So sometimes we'll ask you to order your numbers from least to greatest. So from small to big. Yesterday you talked about less than, greater than. So this is kind of the same thing, least to greatest, big, small to big. So how do we put numbers in order from least to greatest? So we're going to put these in order. First, we're going to find the smallest number and drag it to the left. So which is the smallest number? 4, that's right. So we'll drag it down here. Next, find the next smallest number and put it beside this number. So which one would be 56? Nope, because 5 is bigger than 4. So, I think 25. Good. So we do this until we're done. So we have these 3 left. What would come next? 35. Then 45. Good. And 56. So right here, we ordered these numbers from least to greatest, small to big. Sometimes we order numbers from greatest to least, so big to small. Okay, let's practice that. So we're going to find the largest number out of these guys, 90. Good. Then the next one would be 83. You got it. So remember, we're doing from biggest to small, so they're just going to get smaller as we go. 73. Good. 13. You got it. 6 and 1. Good. So we just ordered these numbers from greatest to least, biggest to small. So now we're going to do least to greatest again, small to big. So let's find the smallest number. Remember, we look at the tens place. Oh, looks like 34 is the smallest. Then what? 58. You got it. Oh boy, look at all these 80 numbers. They all 86, 85, and 87. How am I going to put those in order? They all have 8 in the tens place. I'm going to look at what place? The ones place. You got it. So which one is the smallest? Remember, we're doing least to smallest. 85. Yep. And then 86. Yep. 87. There we go. We just ordered these numbers from least to greatest. All right, now we're going to do these numbers and do them from greatest to least. So what does that mean? Largest to smallest. Which one's the largest out of these ones? I think these are the same numbers from before, but that's okay. We can do it again. 90, 83. Yep, these are the same numbers. That's okay. 73, 13, 6, and 1. So these numbers are greatest to least. Awesome. So there's a couple activities for you to do on the Google Slides, plus there's a couple of worksheets for you to print off and do. Have fun ordering numbers from least to greatest and greatest to least. Thanks for watching.